Is your ASUS monitor's menu button not working? This video addresses common problems like a stuck key lock activation, or the need to constantly power cycle. The menu button is typically located on the monitor's bezel and controls the on-screen display for adjusting settings like brightness and contrast. A stuck key refers to mechanical failure, where the button physically jams, often due to dust, debris, or wear after extended use. Key lock is a software feature that locks controls to avoid tampering, often activated accidentally via a long press or combination of buttons. Power cycling involves unplugging the monitor for 30 seconds to a minute to reset the internal electronics and clear temporary glitches. These issues stem from hardware wear, software conflicts, or electrical faults, with power cycling as an immediate workaround. First, determine if it's a physical stuck key, where the button is jammed due to dust or wear, or a key lock, which is a software feature that disables the buttons. Check for an on-screen lock icon, which indicates that the key lock feature is currently enabled. For a stuck key, try cleaning around the button with compressed air to remove dust or debris. For key lock, refer to your monitor's manual for the specific button combination to unlock it. This is often a long press of the power button or menu button. Power cycling is often the quickest solution. Unplug your ASUS monitor from the power outlet for 30 seconds to a minute. This resets the monitor's internal electronics and clears temporary glitches that might be causing the button malfunction. Plug it back in and see if the menu button now responds. Software conflicts, particularly with ASUS Aura Sync or recent Windows updates, can lead to OSD button unresponsiveness by interfering with the monitor's control systems. To fix this, keep your monitor's firmware current. Firmware updates address bugs in the OSD controller that cause button failures. Start by visiting the ASUS support website to access firmware updates. Search for your specific monitor model to find the correct firmware. Download the latest firmware update file from the support page. Install using the ASUS Update utility, which handles the firmware flashing process safely. When external cleaning fails and the OSD button remains physically stuck, advanced troubleshooting involves carefully disassembling the monitor to access the button mechanism internally. This procedure carries significant risks. It will likely void your warranty and should only be attempted if you're experienced with electronics repair. Always prioritize safety and proper tools. Before proceeding, examine the warranty seals on your monitor. Breaking these will invalidate your warranty, so consider professional service as an alternative. Research is crucial. Search online for detailed disassembly guides specific to your ASUS monitor model. Different models have unique internal layouts and connection points. Carefully disassemble following the guide. Remove screws, disconnect cables, and separate panels. Take photos at each step to ensure proper reassembly. Once inside, locate the button mechanism. Use compressed air and soft brushes to remove dust and debris. Avoid liquids and excessive force that could damage components. Reassemble carefully, test functionality, and seek professional help if you're uncertain. This advanced method can restore button function but requires precision and care. To prevent future issues with your ASUS monitor buttons, regularly clean both the monitor surface and the surrounding area to minimize dust accumulation. Dust can cause mechanical failures in the OSD buttons over time. Avoid using excessive force when pressing the OSD menu buttons. Gentle presses help prevent mechanical wear and prolong button lifespan. Consider applying a screen protector or using protective covers for the monitor buttons. This helps keep dust and debris away, reducing the risk of stuck keys. ASUS manuals recommend this for button protection. Minimize physical button usage by adjusting monitor settings through software like ASUS Display Widget. This software allows you to change brightness, contrast, and other settings without touching the OSD buttons. Following these preventative measures, regular cleaning, gentle button use, protective covers, and software adjustments will help keep your ASUS monitor healthy and minimize future button problems. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and the menu button still fails to work, contact ASUS support for further help. They can assess whether your monitor qualifies for warranty repair or replacement and provide expert guidance on complex issues. Before reaching out, prepare your monitor's model number and purchase date to expedite the support process. ASUS support channels include their official website, phone support, and community forums where similar issues are often discussed. Looking ahead, ASUS is exploring more durable materials in future monitor models to reduce mechanical failures. Haptic feedback joysticks will provide tactile responses, making controls more intuitive. Firmware over-the-air updates are planned to automatically fix lock and stuck key issues. These advancements aim to minimize user intervention and improve the overall monitor experience.